So MarketMakers Project in Bosnia and Herzegovina is doing a lot in both BPO and ICT industry, but although in reality, most of the IT in Bosnia is outsourcing, for the purposes of this project, we kind of separated two streams. So we have IT sector and we have BPO sector, which I'm leading. And we did that because IT industry has already reached a certain level of development in the market, while the rest of BPO has not caught up as fast. So this is why we are have a particular stream for BPO. For us, that means pretty much all of the outsourcing that's not directly IT, but sometimes it correlates. So there's different cases. It gets particularly interesting with BPO because we have been starting from ground up for the past years. And so far we've been able to achieve some milestones that we're quite proud of. For example, and ABSL, so Association of Business Service Leaders, which is very well known in Europe. So we have the first franchise of it here in Bosnia for Western Balkans, and it encompasses the body of an alliance for the BPO industry here, representation and advocacy, as well as a lot of destination marketing towards the foreign markets. We also do quite a bit trying to further that intervention by making the conditions in the market better so that it would be more attractive to foreign investors per se. And also we do quite a bit in matchmaking of the existing vendors here in B&H, be it domestic suppliers of the professional services for the purposes of outsourcing, or the foreign companies that have their representation here in Bosnia. I think for the outsourcing industry, Bosnia in particular has Balkans in general, I think, but Bosnia in particular also has a very good advantage because of the turmoil in the 90s and everything that has happened here. We have had a lot of migration to Europe, to America, etc. So majority of the population speaks at least 2 or 3 languages. Most of them are still have a lot of family relations in diaspora. So this makes up for a market that is very valuable for outsourcing. First of all, because language proficiency is quite high, and also because there's through these family relations there's a really good cultural understanding. So when the Bosnian companies or companies present here in Bosnia through our labor force outsource for foreign markets, it makes for a particularly good opportunity and for particularly quality services.